Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel here on fixing the General Electric microwave that is a model HVM 1540LP1CS. What's happening is, I'll show you. Oop. No, I don't have a ghost in my house. Here is my microwave that is shorted out, that is starting on its own. Magic. So, I'm going to clear that, open it up. It's got a safety feature that will not start while it's on, and I'm going to unplug it and I'll show you how to fix this. First of all, always disconnect the power before entering in where you're opening up your microwave. What's happening is inside the ribbon is not making a good connection. Normally what you have here is these screws. There are 1, 2, as you can see mine weren't in very well because we had a recent issue with this thing because we hooked it up wrong with the power going to it. And 3. So these screws, normally you'd need a screwdriver, and it comes out by hitting it to the right, and you can unhook that part. Now, the keypad normally has a screw. I didn't have it in there, but that's where you would take out the screw and it lifts up. You have to open this door too to get it out, so you lift it up and out. And there you go. So I'm going to disconnect all of these color-coded connectors, and you don't have to worry about it messing up because you got the color-coded things and they have their spot where they go. They can only go a certain way. So just you try and memorize which wires go where. Maybe take a picture of it before you disconnect it. And I'm going to do that and set the camera down, and I'll show you the next step. All right, now we got the panel out. What we're going to do is disconnect the blue connector here. And as you can see, it's noted that it has a prong going towards this way. This connector goes that way. This red one goes there. Or the white one goes there, and the red one's right here. So now I could take it off and set it down on the table over here. Now there's no specialized tools to do this job right here, but what's happening is this ribbon's not making good contact. You have to squeeze and wiggle out this white part right here, and what's happening is that this ribbon is not getting all the connection. So what we'll have to do, keep it all the way out, check it for any kind of burns or anything. I'm gonna wipe it down. Just in case there's any kind of grease or buildup that's on the ribbon part. It might have accidentally gotten in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hold it from the side and put it through that slot as far down as I can get it to make sure it's got good contact. And then once it's all down, I feel it's all seated, I'm gonna push on either side of here to lock it in place. All right, let's put everything back. Just like we did before, as we extracted it, we're gonna do it in reverse. All the parts click into their corresponding connectors, and they won't go in if they're on the wrong one. Remember, the blue one has a certain direction. All right. This goes up and then locks down. And then, that problem just broke. I'm gonna put one of these screws that was up there in its place to hold it. I'm running out of screws. I lost the other ones. Gonna get a screwdriver for that. The grill has to go on before the panel here, and then we'll do everything else in reverse. I'll put my vent thing. See how it's offset over here to the left? It goes in and then slides over. Unlock, lock. And now your screws will line up with the holes. All right, all back together. Now let's plug it in, see if it still has the same problem. And I was told that if it has a problem, when you plug it in, you should be able to enter the clock time. 1:27. AM, select AM or PM. It is in the afternoon. Good. No shorting. It is all set. It just needed to be redone, reset inside that little ribbon to make sure that there's a good connection. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for other home repairs and fixes and even movie prop builds.